Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to change your outfit using this excellent AI tool. So, let's jump right into the video. Search for AIEase.ai on the browser. This website will open up. In the AI Tools section, click on All Tools. Scroll down a bit and click AI Clothes Changer. Click on Try for free. Just drag and drop or upload the outfit image that you want to change. Here, just type in what you want to replace. In this case, we want to replace the shirt and the t-shirt of the person. And here, type in what you want to replace it with. We want him to wear a blue colored denim. When done, just click on Generate. Wait for it to process. And here it will give you two different options to choose from. Just select the one you like. You can even generate more if you are not happy with the results. Otherwise, just click here to download your image. And there we have successfully replaced this outfit using this easy peasy AI tool. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.